In today's video, I'll show you how to insert a calendar on a Confluence page. Alright, so here we are on the Confluence home screen. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on one of our start spaces here. So I'll just click on my name. And here you'll see calendars, which by the way is a premium feature. So make sure you have premium. And then we're going to click on the plus icon here where it says calendars. And let's make our own calendar. So let's name it. Let's just call it test. You can add a description and you can add your time zone and then hit create. All right, now that that's done, let's navigate to a page. So I'll just use this clean page here. Let's give it a title. I'll just call it John. And now we can use either the plus icon on the side here, or we can go to the top and click on that plus icon. And we just want to search for team calendars. So we can click on that. Now there'll be a pop-up on the side here, and all you need to do is just type in the name of your calendar. So here you'll see I've got tests. You can add widths and heights, and you can even hide weekends. And when you're done, you can just X out, and that's mission accomplished. That's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.